exciting news. I've been featured in the Irish Music Magazine. Woo! So this is the August edition, and it's such an honor to be featured among some of the best in Irish traditional music. So we have a lovely little press release blurb on page 26. It's all about Decade, so you can read all about it here. You can get yourself a copy at they should be €10, and you can get it online. And then on page 34, we have a beautiful half-page ad, and all about Decade. Here it is. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. So cool. So yep, you can scan the QR code to learn more about Decade. And yeah, it's just such an honor. So huge thanks to the team behind the Irish Music Magazine for the feature. And yeah, just want to let you know you can get yourself a copy. Thanks. Cheers.